Up next, we have Najma Deghani, who is a PhD student in the English and the Teaching of English program.
Have you already thought about learning a new language to expand your worldview? Or if you were lucky enough to learn a second language, have you noticed while you were learning a new language, your worldview changed? What about learning a third language? If you already know a second language, do you think learning a third language is easier? How about the effect of background languages? Do you think your mother tongue can help you in the process of learning a third language? Or the second language knowledge that you already developed in your mind can help you in the initial stages of learning a third language? How about the brain function? Do you think the brain function of monolinguals is different from the brain function of multilinguals? So, plenty of research has been conducted in the literature, investigating different languages, different learning settings with different learners, trying to find out the answers to all these research questions. Also, various language transfer models have been proposed in the literature that each focus on one specific background language to have the effect on, the process of learning a third language. However, their results are not consistent. Or let's say all the findings cannot fit every language, and not every language learner can benefit from the results available in the literature. So, instead of replicating the previous studies, my research will take advantage of meta-analysis. What is meta-analysis? It's a research method that gathers all the available studies in the field, reads through them, takes them out, and does the required statistical analysis to come up with one unique answer that best fits each context. In other words, after doing the required meta-analysis, my research will offer one unique language transfer that can help every language learner overcome the difficulties of learning a third language. Also, the findings are beneficial for language instructors and curriculum designers to implement the methods in their educational setting for the language learners to benefit from and develop their proficiency in third language. So what do you think after all? Are you interested in learning a new language to expand your worldview? And if yes, which language do you want to learn? By the way, a funny thing is that I was the third presenter in the row talking about third language acquisition in 3 minutes. Funny, right? Thank you all.
We planned that. So Najma is a PhD student in English and the teaching of English, and our English department has several graduate programs to select from. So you're going to get to hear a lot about our programs today because that's why our students are here, right? So the English department has a PhD in English and teaching of English, a Master of Arts in English, a TESOL certificate, a biomedical ethics certificate, and